Welcome to Computer Genius Challenge! Let's see how smart you are with computers. I will give you a real computer situation. You choose the correct answer. Then I'll reveal the answer and explain why. Ready? Let's begin. You are watching a movie on your laptop and the battery suddenly shows 1%. What will happen next? A. The movie will get louder. B. Your laptop may turn off soon. C. The battery will fill automatically. The correct answer is B. Your laptop may turn off soon. Computers need electricity to keep running. When the battery reaches 1%, it means the power is almost gone. You open 20 apps and games at the same time on your computer. What might happen? A. It becomes a supercomputer. B. It becomes slow or frozen. C. The screen becomes bigger. The correct answer is B. It becomes slow or frozen. Every app uses part of the computer's memory. Too many apps at once makes the computer struggle. A download button seems slow, so you click it 10 times quickly. What will likely happen? A. It starts many downloads. B. The internet becomes faster. C. The computer turns into a robot. The correct answer is A. It starts many downloads. Computers register every click. Clicking many times can send the same command again and again. You type your password to log in, but caps lock is on. What will happen? A. The computer says you typed strongly. B. Incorrect password. C. The keyboard is broken. The correct answer is B. Incorrect password. Computers treat capital letters and small letters differently, so uppercase and lowercase are not the same. You save your project but leave the file name as Untitled 1. What problem might you face later? A. The file runs away. B. It becomes hard to find. C. The computer deletes it. The correct answer is B. It becomes hard to find. File names are like labels. Without a clear name, it becomes difficult to find the file later. You try to store hundreds of large videos on your laptop. What message might appear? A. Storage space is full. B. Laptop becomes heavier. C. Screen needs more light. The correct answer is A. Storage space is full. Computers have limited storage space. Once it is full, new files cannot be saved. Your computer is installing a system update, and you start playing a heavy game. What might happen? A. The game becomes faster. B. The computer becomes slow or freezes. C. The game changes color. The correct answer is B. The computer becomes slow or freezes. Updates already use a lot of computer power. Running a game at the same time can slow the system down. You finish a beautiful digital drawing but close the app without saving. Where is your drawing now? A. It might be gone forever. B. It is inside the mouse. C. It is waiting in the printer. The correct answer is A. It might be gone forever. If you do not click Save, the computer may not store your work permanently. A pop-up appears on your screen saying, "Congratulations! You won a free iPhone! Click here!" What is the smartest thing to do? A. Click it immediately. B. Close it and tell an adult. C. Click it many times. The correct answer is B. Close it and tell an adult. These messages are often scams that try to trick people into clicking unsafe links. You place 100 icons all over your desktop. What problem will happen? A. Files become harder to find. B. Icons fall off the screen. C. The computer becomes louder. The correct answer is A. Files become harder to find. A cluttered desktop makes it harder for your brain to find files quickly. You accidentally delete your favorite photo. Where should you check first? A. The Internet. B. Recycle bin. C. Under the keyboard. The correct answer is B. Recycle bin. Deleted files usually go to the recycle bin first, where they can still be restored. You click print, but the printer cable is not connected. What happens? A. Nothing prints. B. The laptop prints on the screen. C. The paper changes colour. The correct answer is A. Nothing prints. The computer must be connected to the printer through a cable or wireless connection. You open 50 browser tabs while doing homework. What might happen? A. The laptop becomes hot and slow. B. The internet runs out of words. C. The keyboard stops working. The correct answer is A. The laptop becomes hot and slow. Each tab uses memory and processing power. Too many tabs can slow the computer down. Great job, computer genius! Meet you in the next challenge!